Hey there. I just finished working on the Lasers and Feelings web app, and I thought a great way to kick it off would be to walk through how to set up a game, invite your friends, and start playing. So it's really easy to get started with Lasers and Feelings. You can head over to lasersandfeelings.com. You'll find this web app, and you can even download a copy of the rules if you've never played before. They're really simple, trust me. So to get started making our game session, I'm just going to hit play now. And this will ask me to make a password for my game session that I'm going to make. So that way, when I invite my friends, they can put in the password and join me. I could even leave this empty if I want anyone to be able to join me just from the link that I'm given. I'm going to go ahead and use a password. We'll hit create. And you'll see the screen is empty at the moment because nobody else has joined. But I'm going to take this link up at the top and send that over to my friend. I just have another browser over here in private mode. We're treating that as a separate person who comes over to that link, and now they have to enter that password. And now they're asked to make their character when they're joining the room. I'll go ahead and make a character, say a heroic explorer, and I can adjust my affinity for lasers and feelings. We'll hit create. You'll see my character was created. As a player, I'm given some options to roll for lasers, feelings, or modifiers of lasers and feelings. And over on this first window, the person who created the room is the game master. So they just get an overview of everything, and they don't have any buttons to interact with. That's just sort of how lasers and feelings works after all. So as each player plays the game, you might be asked to roll lasers, in which case you can go ahead and click this button. And you'll get prompted with your result, and everybody else will also see your result in that character list down here. If I have to roll 2 dice for lasers instead of 1, I'll just add a 1 to it. Right, so this is rolling 1 die, and this is rolling 1 plus 1, an addition on to your usual roll. I'll click that, and that'll roll 2 dice. Same if I need to roll an additional 2, I can go ahead and click this, and that'll roll 3 dice. As well as feelings, it works the exact same way. You can see all of your results up here. And so this updates in real time for everybody else on the app. If I wanted to add another player, I can just take this link again and send it over. They put in the password, make their character, and there we are. We have another player. And just like before, we can update all these things. Hey, laser feelings, there we are. Just like all these things, they update for every single player. We look at our 2 players side by side. You can see it updates live. So hopefully this gives you a good tool to play some more tabletop stuff with your friends. I hope you enjoy it. It's the very first release, and if you're interested in trying it out, I say give it a go. You're also welcome to contribute on GitHub, as it's an open source project. All right, happy gaming.